In order to verify your account, you go to the upper right side, click on this arrow, go to My Profile tab, and right here you go to the last tab, Verification. And here you verify everything, from email, where the confirmation email with the password will be sent to you, your phone, where it will be verified via SMS code, and your identity verification. You hit the Edit tab, type your full name, choose your gender, date of birth, and choose if you are a politically exposed person, hit Continue. And right here you upload both sides of your identity documents. You go to Add File, choose the files from your device, hit Open or Upload, and then hit Continue. The same situation with proof of address. You go to the Edit tab, choose the country you currently live in, type the region name, city name, address, and postal code, and hit Continue. And right here, the same situation, you upload your documents. So go to the Add File, choose the file with your proof of address. It can be utility bill or phone bill with your name and address on it. And that's it. Now you just need to wait for the support to verify your profile.